hello, my maker friend. Hello. Here is the Science Center Singapore. She is the chairperson for the Maker Faire Singapore. Say hi to our maker friend in Japan and China and over there. Hello. Yeah.
Hi everyone, I'm Kiruthika. I'm from the Science Center Singapore and I organize the Maker Faire Singapore.
Yes, here is a tinkering studio. Many young kids and small kids doing the tinkering, how to know the material and making things. We Science Center is focusing and supporting for the Maker Faire Singapore. Yeah. How was the Maker Faire Singapore this year?
I think it was very big. So Maker Faire Singapore is growing and it's going to continue growing for the next couple of next 2 years. And this is something that we're really looking forward to. Every year is one of the highlights of all the programs that we organize. You see so many makers coming together and sharing their ideas and thoughts and projects. It's a very magical thing.
Yeah. Maker Faire Singapore characteristic is more and more focusing for the kids and parents. I think most of the workshops.
Yes. Maker Faire is, we always have so many workshops in Maker Faire Singapore, so we actually have, this year I think we have more than 80 workshops.
Yes, 80 workshops, 80.
Yes, and it's a very big thing. It's nice because there's so many different things you can learn in the Maker Faire Singapore, so you can actually come and no matter how small you are or how big you are, you always have something to learn, and that's very important.
Yes. My company, SwitchScience and Switch Education, is also maker company and more focus for the maker education. And Switch Education is the official partner of the Microbit. Microbit is also famous in Singapore, right?
Yes, there are. And in fact, at the Science Center, we also run many workshops and programs around the Microbit. So with hackathons and camps and programs. So yes, it's a very good tool to get young children started on programming.
Yeah, if you are maker, even educator, let's coming to Maker Faire Singapore. We really looking to see you at the Singapore next, even in summer.
Yes.
Probably,
see you all in
Singapore. Probably end of the June, we will making the Maker Faire Singapore again. See you in Singapore.
See you. Watch out for the call for makers.
Yes.